It's one of those times. I'll come to the realization. People you thought were gonna be there for you, they fake. They just want a good name when they try to do something for you because they done that before you. They don't wanna be here for you. They just wanna get a good name. They just wanna get the fame. I've seen they did something good when they didn't wanna. So I'd rather smoke my marijuana because I wanna stay away from these people. They're evil, deceitful people. They're in a different way that I don't wanna ever be a part of. They're just fucking evil, so deceitful. Some wicked people, you call them friends and family though. I just call them my enemy, bro, because they act like they're real, but they're fake from the start. They don't have no love, no trust, nothing in their heart. They're just made up of fart. They're just made up of shit, and that is it. You just gotta see. Awful. They really, really, really be so awful. Yeah, they be awful. Yeah, they be awful. They be acting like they're real, but they fake from the fucking start. They don't wanna love you, they just tell you that from their heart. No, from their ass, they pull that shit out their ass. They don't want that shit to last, they just wanna take off a blast, hey. They don't wanna see you last, they wanna crash, hey. You don't know that bitches really wanna smash, hey. Some bitches just really wanna do dash, hey. Dash, hey. People say they wanna be there for you, but that's a lie. And I really didn't wanna tell you wanna be that guy, but people know why. They gotta be there just to get a name, just for a little fame. They don't wanna be authentic, they be very fake. These bitches pussy deep like a fucking lake. These niggas and bitches, they be some fucking snake. And I'm like a earthquake, shaking up and let them know what time it is. That I don't really need no one, because they really want my soul. They wanna take me down, that's their goal.